Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am Ishita and this video is going to be a really interesting video because I'm going to do the lipstick swatches. Well, Nykaa has recently launched their Demi Matte Lip Cream collection. Demi Matte is a hybrid between gloss and a matte lipstick. Also, they have a really nice creamy texture which keeps your lips hydrated all day long. Nykaa has launched an entire range of 12 shades which ranges from nude to the dark bold colors as well. I've picked 4 of my favorite colors and these lipsticks kind of last for like 5 to 6 hours on your lips, which is pretty good if you are going to office, if you're going for lunch or for party. So these are a really nice creamy formula, especially for dry and chapped lips. Apart from these shades, there's something really interesting about these lipsticks are their names, which are based on millennial lingo that we use on our day-to-day basis. For example, you have lit, you have goals, squad and bae. Now let's talk about the packaging before I start with the swatches. So this is a shade called Lit and this is how exactly this lipstick comes. It's quite sturdy, this bottle, and it has this ombre effect in it, and right at the end of this bottle you can clearly see what shade you get in. Also, the applicator it comes with is really smooth, which helps in seamless application on your lips. I'm already wearing Bae on my lips and this formula is extremely lightweight. This doesn't even feel like you have applied any lipstick on your lips because it's super light and just feels like your lips are hydrated. That's it. Generally, creamy textures are kind of heavy textures as compared to matte and other glosses, but this doesn't even feel like that. So yeah, that's all about the lipsticks. Now let's start with the swatches. Yeah, that was it. I hope you guys love the swatches and the video, and if you guys want to buy these lipsticks, which I highly recommend, you can definitely check out the link that I've put in my description box below and go ahead and shop these lipsticks. They are beautiful lipsticks. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. See you in the next video. Bye.